Good morning. This is Larry McMillan with a stock market update on Monday, April 1st. No April Fool's jokes here in this video today. So the market closed at a new all-time high on Friday and also traded at a new all-time intraday high. And that brought out even more negative comments over the weekend. This is just so silly. I mean, the market keeps going up, and every weekend the weekly commentary is more bearish. Eventually, they'll be right, but they're losing a lot of money on the way up if they're really short this market. Meanwhile, we're maintaining our core bullish position because the S&P chart is bullish. There's support at 5180, and it's actually a whole support area all the way down to 5050. If we were to close below 5050, then I might say, yeah, there's something more bearish going on. But right now, as long as we're above, certainly above 5180, everything is good. The equity-only put-call ratios continue to bump along the bottom of their charts, meaning they're in an overbought status, but they're not on sell signals, and they won't be on sell signals until they actually begin to rise sharply. Breadth has improved a little bit this week, and so the breadth oscillators are back on buy signals again. They seem to oscillate back and forth here. They've tried to generate a couple of sell signals. That hasn't worked out so far yet, but eventually, one of these days, I suppose it will. Anyway, at the current time, the breadth oscillators are still on buy signals. New highs on the New York Stock Exchange reached very strong levels again. Over 300 stocks made new highs on Friday, so that's again a positive indicator. VIX has been depressed. I mean, it's down around 13. It sort of stays around 13. And so as long as that's the case, stocks can continue to rise. It's only a problem if VIX begins to spike upwards. That hasn't really happened yet. The first line of, I guess, demarcation or something you might say is the moving average of VIX, which is right now about 1420. Still declining. It's been declining for a long, long time. But as long as VIX is below that, there's really no worries at all. The construct of volatility derivatives, meaning the futures, term structure, and that sort of thing, that's all positive as well. And so, even though, VIX is low, and that's, again, an overbought condition, this is still not a sell signal. So overall, we don't have any sell signals, and that's been the case for quite some time. And so we're still maintaining our core bullish positions. We roll calls up when they're in the money, deeply in the money. And we will trade other confirmed signals around that core. We just haven't gotten those confirmed signals so far. I invite you to visit our website and check out our daily letters where we cover these things in a more timely manner. Meanwhile, have a great week trading.